Welcome to this Delph Stack tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix a zoomed-in screen in Windows 11. Whether your display looks too large or you're struggling to see everything clearly, this step-by-step guide will help you adjust your screen settings easily. First, head over to the Start menu, search for Settings, and open the Settings window. On the left-hand side, click on System and then select Display. Once you're there, scroll down until you see the option labeled Scale. If this is set to anything above 100%, your screen will appear zoomed in. For example, if your scale is at 150%, try reducing it to 100%. You'll notice immediately that everything on your screen will shrink back to normal size. Next, you might also want to check your display resolution. This is just below the scale setting. For most users, the recommended resolution works best, but you can experiment with different resolutions to see which one fixes your display issue and looks the clearest to you. Adjusting both the scale and resolution usually solves the zoomed-in problem quickly and effectively. And that's really all there is to it. By following these steps, you'll have your Windows 11 screen looking just right again. Thanks for watching this Delph Stack tutorial video. If you found this helpful, leave a comment and share it with someone who might be struggling with the same issue. It might make their day a little easier.